shimmering red sweetheart neckline gown with detachable Filipiniana sleeves. Hair and makeup by Flora May Sumabat. Her jewelry, a beautiful handmade unique necklace with prints made in white and red sequins, matching with cubic earrings and bracelet, red left clover, and heart-shaped crafted by Imelda Beach from Home Business Class.
Judith Cornell. Gown is a princess cut style decorated with a pink-haired with Filipiniana bolero. Her hair, braided up blue and makeup done by Vanessa Hicata from Cosmetology class. Her jewelry, beautiful beaded flower necklace made in seed beads, crystal and pearl, matching with earring crafted by Imelda Bencio from Home Business Class. Judith Cornell.
Susan Vitania is wearing a panel design long skirt and Filipiniana inspired blouse. Her braided hair and makeup done by Elsie Narciso. Her jewelry, a unique spiral rope necklace made in gold and red seed beads, with twisted earring crafted by Heidi Fiscal from Home Business Class.
So take note lang po, gawa ko nila yung mga gown. Yan po yung pinagkakabisyan nila every Sunday. Susan Vitania is wearing a panel, Metaphor Oliva. Gown is a mermaid style decorated with beautiful black laces, a pair with detachable Filipiniana sleeves.
Tapusin ko muna itong ginawa
A rolled up hairstyle and makeup done by Eileen Samante from Cosmetology class. Her jewelry, a beautiful beaded lip necklace made in red and black seed beads and crystal with matching earring and bracelet crafted by Imelda Bencio from Home Business Class.
Aida Ocampo. Gown is a modern balloon gown earned with Filipiniana inspired bolero. The hair is called the princess style hairstyle and makeup done by Rachel Damigan from Cosmetology.
Masasabi niya yung picture.
Her jewelry, a simple beaded lace necklace made in gold and yellow and white pearl with matching earrings and bracelet crafted by Lori De Cusar from Home Business Class.
Soya Dayagan. Wearing her beautiful printed gown with glass pleated balloon, skirt paired with Filipiniana bolero. Her hair makeup by Asilia May Carcelian from Cosmetology class. Her jewelry, a beautiful beaded necklace made in gold, delica and blue seed beads and green stone pendant with matching earrings, bracelets and rings crafted by Annalyn de los Santos from Home Business Class.
Lisa!
Melissa Cordero is wearing a royal blue sweetheart neckline gown. Her flower band hairstyle and makeup done by Rowena Dolores.
Reno Salota. Okay. Rowena Nihala is wearing her white sleeveless balloon gown. Her updo hairstyle and makeup by Maricrest Matizo from cosmetology class. Her jewelry, a lovely handmade lace, necklace made in white pearl and added color work, uplift, beads paired with an earring and bracelet crafted by Vanessa Flores from Home Business Class. Jennifer Katapang is wearing her beautiful black and white balloon gown, decorated with embroidery with long cape. Her flower clip bun hairstyle and makeup done by Annabelle Ducosin from cosmetology class. Her jewelry, a beautiful beaded charm earring and bracelet made in white, pearl, and silk bead crafted by Janine Braca from Home Business Class. Wow, naganda ng mga gown nila. So that's all for our fashion show.
Maraming salamat, Chris Making Student, for the beautiful gown.